This is Chinese people's liquid gold. This is the viral cough syrup that Chinese people take when they are feeling sick, under the weather, they have a sore throat. This is Pei Pa Go. So this is made with honey and loquat to really soothe the throat. I don't know how they got the cast of Wicked to promote this, but Jonathan Bailey, Cynthia Erivo, and Ariana Grande said that they take this before they sing. But yeah, it does really work. It really soothes the throat, and it's like a very thick cough syrup that is very different than the American version. This is a must buy for me and is on sale.